How to add Duolingo widget. Adding the Duolingo widget to your device's home screen allows you to track your language learning progress and receive timely reminders. And here is how to add it on your iOS device. First of all, unlock your iPhone or iPad, and now here press and hold an empty area on your home screen until the apps begin to jiggle. Now all you have to do is tap on the edit option available at the top left corner of your screen, and from the drop down menu tap on the Add Widget option available there. Now here in the search bar you can also type down the Duolingo or scroll down and look for the Duolingo app option available there and simply tap on it. Now once you tap on it, choose your preferred widget size and tap on the Add Widget to place it on your home screen. Now once done so, tap on the Done option available, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.